What time is it? I don't know what time is it, but 4:50 and I'm waiting for my future husband. Walang labo pala nito. Paano pa reviewan natin? Gets. Kaya pala malabo. Pero malabo pa rin. Oh no. Because they, siguro nagle-lesson pa sila. Kasi bukas magluluto sila. This is my school. My school name is PNHS Malig Plains National High School. Yun. There. This is their garden. It is so beautiful, and I don't know. I think it's electricity. Maudi si Dak. When I was child. When I was young. I don't know. Basta nung bata ako. When I see a bird, a group of bird na naglilipad sila dyan, I always said, maudi si Dak. Akala ko, ang ibig sabihin nun, mahuli si Dak. That in Ilocano, maudi. Maudi si Dak pala. Like, mahuhuli ay uulamin ko. Did you get it? Like, diba? Ang Ilocano ng mahuli, maudi. So, it's right, like, na mahuli. Akala ko, ang sinasabi niya, akala ko yung name ng akala ko yung name na udi is name. But it words in Ilocano, which is, in Tagalog is, mahuli. Akala ko name yung udi. Udi. Basta yun. Kaya, sabi ko, maudi si Dak. Yung pala, mahuhuli uulamin ko in Tagalog. Kala ko, yung si Udi is si Dak. Like, maudi si Dak. Like, mahuhuli si Pato. Like, mahuhuli si Pato. Ganun ba yun? Mahuhuli si Pato. No, it's wrong. Like, maudi si, like, ang alam ko is maudi si Dak, which mean maudi si Dak is mahuhuli si Dak. Yun pala is maudi si Dak. Yun pala, kaya pala bumibili sila kapag kasi maudi si Dak. Like, nalito na ako. Ayoko na mag-explain. Basta ang pagkakaalam ko sa maudi si Dak is mahuhuli yung lumilipad na pato. But in Ilocano, it's the meaning of the maudi si Dak is mahuhuli is uulamin ko.